Let's go to Lick 328 odd even linked list. For this question, it gave us a linked list, and let us to rearrange and have the odd number to connect to the linked list. The first half part, the even node, which will compose the second half, compose a new linked list. This question, we can have an index and go through from the head to the tail. When we go through one node, we find whether that is an odd or even, and it is odd, just add to an odd linked list. If it's even, every time we create a new list node and add to the even linked list, and then after that we concatenate the odd tail to the even head. So let's begin to write how code for this. If this head equals null, or head next equals null, just return head. Let's have this node dummy1 equals new list node minus 1. And this node dummy2 equals new list node. We are going to append the kind of new node to dummy1 and dummy node. For the odd, we are going to append one by one to the dummy1. And we're going to have three cursors, right? This node parent equals head, and in the current one, it's dummy1, parent 2, dummy2. Okay, I'm going to have an index. Index will be the first will be doesn't matter. 1, right? Then let's say while parent does not equals to null. Parent equals to parent next. And also we have index as right? And let's say if this idx mod 2 equals 1, else equals 1, then we'll have parent 1 dot next equals new link list node current dot value. We'll have parent 1 equals parent 1 dot next. Else that we are current 2 dot next equals new list node current dot value, and the current 2 equals current 2 dot next. And after this, it does not equal to null. We'll see. Current 1 is the first part, the last node of the first part. and we have current one dot next equals dummy two dot next, and return dummy one dot next. And doing like this way, the time complexity is O(n). And here the things that we create every time we see whether this is an even or odd index, and we create a new linked list. And actually we this is create a new node. Actually, we can do something like reconnect. Instead to have the create a new node, we can do something. Let's write code a bit different. We still need a dummy one and dummy two, and now let's have dummy one dot next equals head, and dummy two dot next is head dot next. Let's say while let's have a current list node, and current one equals head, and current two equals head dot next, right? We're going to do this. Current one does not equals to null, and current one dot next does not equals to null, and we'll say current dot next is always current two actually, so we don't need to say whether current two is null or not, right? So we'll have current one dot next does not equals to null, because we want to have the first part and to our node which is not null. Then we'll have list node, for example, next one equals current one dot next, and list node next two equals current two dot next, next. And we'll have current one dot next equals next one, and current one equals next one, right? And current two dot next equals next two, and current two equals next two. And after this, we just also concatenate the first part and the second part. And current one dot next equals dummy two dot next, and return dummy one dot next. This is a reconnect. Again, create a new list node every time. Yeah. Yeah, the time complexity is O(n).